See, I'll be very straightforward. ठीक है. Going numb won't exactly solve your life problems, and this is something that guys use as a coping mechanism. Because I know, because मैंने भी for a very long time मैंने खुद ये चीज़ करके रखा है. ठीक है. Especially this is for the people particularly going through a breakup or something very heartbreaking. शायद आपने कोई कंप्यूटर एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर किया and it didn't go well. Maybe you had a very harsh breakup after 3, 4, 5 or however long of a relationship you had, or like something along the lines जो कि आपको लगा will work out for you in life but it didn't. What guys usually do is either they get into like nasha and all. तो obviously मैं definitely पहली बात तो promote नहीं करता because like I don't drink very often. Sometimes I do but that's very rare, maybe साल में एक बार. But the second type of coping mechanism is guys tend to go numb and they call it character development. I have done it, and recently like I've come to the conclusion कि if you go numb, it might seem like you have your life sorted और आप life में बहुत ज़्यादा chill हो, but deep down it will be like कि are you really feeling something? Because a big part of being human is feeling emotions, loving someone, hating someone, or whatever you want to do. If as a human you cannot feel a certain emotion or tend to suppress it, I don't think that's a way of living, or that's not going to solve a problem in the large scale. And जब आप बहुत ही लंबे टाइम के लिए नम हो जाते हो ना कोई भी एक चीज से, the slightest bit of affection towards you, आपको लगता है कि that person likes you. It could be just a base, like this happens like for example when you go numb for a very long time and a random girl enters your life. What happens is even the slight amount of affection will make you feel like on top of the world and you'll just fall in love with her, which is not true. लोग अपने दोस्तों के लिए भी affection दिखाते हैं and guys don't understand this because females have this thing that they show affection towards their female friends as well as their guy friends. But लड़कों में उतना होता नहीं. लड़कों में you know there's always roasting, there's always fun, bantering and all. So when a woman kind of appreciates them, they cannot take it very well. What is the solution, you might ask? Because obviously going numb isn't an option. मेरे हिसाब से personally, on a very personal scale, I feel like कि the best thing you can do after going through heartbreaking stage of life is to process those emotions rather than suppress them. And like this is, I know at first थोड़ा सा difficult होगा, especially for guys, because we have been told our entire lives to not feel things, to go numb, to be a man and just suppress your emotions. But I believe if you process your emotions right and time के साथ you heal through them, it's better for you in the long run. For example, जैसे कि लड़कियाँ ये चीज़ बहुत ही अच्छे समझती हैं that you need to process the emotions to move on. That's why they do move on, and there are guys who cannot move on for 5 years, 6 years, whatever long time period. And like Bollywood has even glorified it कि भाई एक बंदी के पीछे पागल हो गए, मर गई. That's which is not exactly a good thing. First of all, you need a career, you need a life, you need friends, you need everything in life. Like the point is that be happy with the things you have. जब आप लाइफ में एक्चुअली बिजी हो जाते हो ना, you do not really think about these things. And getting busy is not always just grinding and just going all the way through it. No. Getting busy can be anything. भाई दोस्तों के साथ मजे करने निकल गए, maybe interacting with a few of your potential, you know, future partners, I don't know, whatever you can call it. But don't be in that single stuck mindset कि बस हो गया. Don't romanticize that one-sided ashik forever of your life, and don't go numb. The entire point of this video is just me talking about going numb because this is something that I've realized very recently, that going numb in my life has not exactly helped me. Just like I felt like I've moved backwards rather than forward. So try to process everything that's going on in your life and try to better it. You only get one life to live. Enjoy it as much as possible. Stay healthy. have a craziest friend circle, and have good connections. I mean, this is gonna solve 90% of your problems. Other than that, this is just my first video, that I don't even know कि लोग देखेंगे कि नहीं, but मैं बहुत टाइम से सोच रहा था that I want to make a little bit of me kind of videos, philosophical, as I'm someone who thinks about these things a lot, but in my friend circle I do not feel कि मेरे से कोई resonate करता है, जिसके कारण मैं इन सब चीज़ों को लेके बात नहीं कर पाता उनके साथ. So I want to put it out there, what I'm feeling through it, and I want to journalize everything that's going on in my life except for gym, because for a longest time my life was entirely gym. But since it's now a lot of outside of it things, but I'm still into fitness, I want to put things out there for the things I feel. I want the things that are going on in my head to be out there on the internet, so that I can actually find people जो लोग मेरे साथ resonate करते, who think a little bit philosophically. So yeah, I guess that's it for this one. Meet you guys in my next one. Bye.